Hello everyone, I am Dattatray Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda. New day, new topic. And our today's topic is Process Control System Part 22B. Previously, we have seen Part 22, that is Control System Design Engineering. Part 22A, PID controllers. We have seen P, I and D type controllers separately and their benefits as well as the details. In today's video, that is part 22B, we'll be covering introduction to the control system or a process control system and their different types of controllers. And in this case, we are going to cover feedback control system and feed forward control system. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics of engineering, fundamentals, project, career, instrumentation and control engineering, procurement engineering and many more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. And we have started the membership option for eFunda viewers. Please hit the join button and be a member or part of our community and support our eFunda team. Let's begin with our today's topic. Introduction to Process Control System. A system that responds to input signals from the process and its associated equipment, the other programmable systems and or from an operator, and generates output signal causing the process and its associated equipment to operate in the desired manner and within normal production limit. Three basic types of control systems available to executives are: 1. Output control, 2. Behavioral control, and 3. Client control. A different organization emphasizes different types of a control, but most organization uses mix of all these three types. A system component that is used to provide desired response by controlling different parameters in the process is referred to as a control system. One can refer to the block diagram below where the various control system components are being shown, mainly the reference input as a set point, then the summation block or the control element, plant, and the feedback element which gives the feedback signal to the communication or the comparator block. And in a control system, the final output or response of the system is controlled by varying the input and hence it named so. Based on the control mechanism used, the control system can be classified into two types, namely feedback control system and feed forward control system. One can refer to the block diagram or a sketch where one scheme is shown where the drum is shown and the level measuring instrument, that is a level transmitter, is shown, and the discharge of the drum, that is the liquid, is controlled by the final control element. And this is a closed loop system is employed where the fundamental difference between the feedback control system as well as the feed forward control system is that in this case of the feedback control system, the corrective action is taken after the output gets affected by the disturbances, while in the case of a feed forward control system, the corrective action is taken before the disturbance of the output. This is how the basic is covered. We will see more in details. What is a feedback control system? A type of a control system in which the corrective action is taken after the occurrence of the disturbances in the output. It is called a feedback control system. The feedback control system is type of a closed loop control system in which a feedback signal is used to regulate the behavior of the system. One can refer to the block diagram where one can see the input, feedback controller, then the process where it is a manipulated input is given to the process, disturbances are added, and accordingly the output is processed, and after the disturbances are generated or occurred, the feedback signal is taken to the feedback controller. In simple word, a feedback control system is one in which the output of the system is sampled and fed back again to the input side so that the system can produce the desired accurate output. Feedback control systems are widely used in industrial automation as well as in the process control application. Now secondly, what is a feed forward control system? A feed forward control system is a type of a control system in which the corrective action is taken before the occurrence of the disturbances in the output of the system. One can refer to the another block diagram where input is given to feed forward controller, and similarly the manipulated output or a manipulated input to the process is given and the disturbances are applied and the regulated or desired output is produced. Similarly, in meantime, the disturbances occurrence where the action is being taken before the output is generated. The control system which can predict a variation in the input signal in advance and accordingly can adjust the system output based on this prediction is referred to as a feed forward control system. Moving on to see the difference between feedback and feed forward control system, where the parameters will be defined and the difference between these two control systems will be discussed. First point is the definition. Under feedback control system, a type of a control system in which the corrective action is taken after the occurrence of the disturbance in the output of the system is referred to as a feedback control system, whereas in a feed forward control system is a type of a control system in which the corrective action is taken before the occurrence of the disturbance in the output of the system is referred to as a feed forward control system. Second, adjustment in the output. Under feedback control system, the output is adjusted according to the feedback signal. In the feed forward control system, the output is adjusted according to the prediction of the variation in the input signal. Third is the nature of the system. Feedback control system is a reactive in a nature, which means it responds to variation in the output after they have occurred. Feed forward control system is a predictive in the nature, that means it responds to the changes in the output before they have occurred. Fourth is the response speed. Feedback control systems are relatively slower to respond to variation in the input signal, whereas the feed forward control systems are faster to respond to the changes in the input signal. Fifth, corrective action. Feedback control system take necessary corrective actions after the occurrence of the disturbance in the output, whereas the feed forward control system take necessary corrective action before the occurrence of the disturbances in the output. Sixth, adjustment of a control variable. In the feedback control system, the control variables are adjusted based on the error occurred in the output. In the feed forward control system, the control variables are adjusted based on the prediction of the variation in the input signal. Seventh, effectiveness against disturbances. Feedback control systems are more effective at dealing with the disturbances that affects the system output, whereas the feed forward control systems are relatively less effective in compensating the disturbances that affects the system output. 8. Implementation is feedback control systems are easier to implement. Feed forward control systems are relatively complex to implement. 9. Type of the system. Feedback control system is type of a closed loop control system because it measures changes in the output, whereas feed forward control is a type of a open loop control system as it does not measure changes in the output. 10. System stability. If the feedback loop of the control system is not properly implemented, then it can cause instability of the system of the feedback control system, whereas feed forward control system is often a stable system due to open loop concept. 11. Regulating system. Feedback control system can be employed for regulating linear as well as a non-linear system, whereas feed forward control systems can be employed for regulating only the linear systems. 12. Suitability. Feedback control systems are better suited for control systems that have unpredictable disturbances in the output, whereas the feed forward control systems are better suited for the control systems having a predictable disturbances in the output. 13 is the application. Feedback control systems are used in engineering and automation in a different industries such as robotics, manufacturing, process control, etc. Whereas the feed forward control systems are mainly used in a special applications like defense and aerospace. This is how we have tried to cover the process control system and their application details, where we have mainly covered the feedback control system and feed forward control system. Stay tuned and keep watching our videos for various types of control, which will be continuing as part of this series. As part of eFunda channel, we are introducing eFunda channel membership, welcoming you all be a part of a eFunda channel community. Click join button to join this community, and we have membership options are eFunda basic, eFunda standard, eFunda premium. One can click on a join button and get the details of these three membership options and get benefited from our membership, be a part of eFunda channel community. And thanks for joining this community and supporting eFunda team and encouraging them to create more and more valuable and technical videos for our subscribers and members. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.